Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel Craft India. Today our topic of the video is the uh, tree trunk vase decoration ideas. You are watching on the screen stump, uh, tree stump, tree trunk ideas of the decoration vase decoration ideas, home decor ideas of the tree trunk uh, vase ideas. You are watching beautiful combination of the flowers decorating in the tree trunk uh, wood log. You are watching beautiful idea, different and easy simple ideas you can make at home easily. uh, Easy idea of the tree trunk decoration, tree trunk vase decoration ideas. You are watching the beautiful colorful flowers arranged in the tree trunk. You are watching another natural idea of the palm tree planting in the tree trunk. You are watching tree log vase ideas, flower vase decorate, rose flowers decorate in the log, wood log. Beautiful table decoration idea. You are watching another tree trunk plantation idea. You are watching garden decoration with the stump tree trunk decoration ideas, uh, money plant and indoor plants. You are watching another idea of the stump tree trunk ideas. You can decorate different flowers hang with the tree stump. You are watching the wood log plantation ideas. You are watching the vase decoration of the tree wood wood decoration ideas. Sunflower decorate with the tree trunk vase decoration ideas. Table decoration. You are watching another unique idea of the vase decoration with the tree trunk. You are watching another idea of the tree trunk vase decoration, table decoration, natural look. You can look what can you do with a tree stump. You are watching another idea of the tree stump